Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Excel Expert. Today we are going to learn one of the impressive tools available in Microsoft Excel. This tool is used to monitor the value of a particular cell in your workbook, even from different workbooks. Track changes in a particular cell, navigate to cells just by the click of a button, and perform an audit of your Excel formula. This impressive tool is known as Watch Window. So let's start the video and learn more about it. So on my screen, you can find 6 months receipt and payment accounts starting from Jan, ending on June. And here we have a consolidated statement. We are interested to watch the change appearing on total receipts in the consolidated sheet, total payment, and the net income. We can do this task by navigating on sheets multiple times, but we will use the impressive tool Watch Window. To access Watch Window, go to your Formula tab. From the Formula Auditing group, you will find this Watch Window option. You can also access the Watch Window with a shortcut Alt-M-W. We are interested to watch the values of total receipts, total payment, and net profit available on the consolidated sheet. For that, select the total receipt cell, and here you will find Add Watch option. Click on it. It will ask a confirmation for the cell selection. Click Add, and here we go. But there is a problem. What if we have multiple cells and we can't identify which cell represents which value? For that, always update your cell name from the name box. The next cell that we want to watch is total payment. Select the cell, update the name, and add watch. Add. And finally, we have the net income cell and click on add watch. Now if I change any value from either of my sheet, that is from Jan to June, I can see the impact in my watch window. Let's suppose I update this 500,000 value to 300,000. Enter. We can see effect of this change. You can easily delete any of the watch items selected and click on delete. You can move this watch window dialog box. Just click on it, drag it anywhere you want. You can fix it below the ribbon like this, or you can fix it below the sheet tab. Remember, you can add as many cells as possible in it, but using too many cells will slow down your workbook. Second important point, you can watch cells from multiple workbooks. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends. Let us know your feedback and suggestion for future video in the comments. See you in the next video.